Want to make your GetResponse emails look professional and actually land in inboxes instead of spam? In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how to add a professional email to GetResponse, step by step. Stick around because at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial for this, and even better alternatives if you want more features or flexibility. First, log into your GetResponse account. Head over to Email Addresses under the Profile settings. This is where you'll add your professional email, the one that matches your domain, so your emails look trustworthy. Click Add Email, type in your domain-based email address, and hit Send Confirmation. Now, GetResponse will send a verification email to that address. Open your inbox, find that email, and click the confirmation link. That's it, your professional email is now connected. Next thing, if you're using a free Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook address, expect deliverability issues. GetResponse, like most email platforms, follows DMARC policies, which means emails sent from free domains often get flagged as spam. That's why using a professional email is a must. Now, let's improve your email reputation. Go back to GetResponse and find the Authentication section. You'll see options for DKIM and SPF. These settings tell email providers that GetResponse is allowed to send emails on your behalf. If you own your domain, set these up in your domain registrar to boost deliverability. The fourth thing, some users find GetResponse's email setup a bit clunky compared to other platforms like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign. For example, GetResponse still lacks some advanced automation that competitors offer. If you're running a serious email marketing campaign, you might want to check out other options. But here's the best part. If you want a smoother experience with better automation and higher deliverability, I've added an extended free trial to a platform that does it better. Plus, I've included other top-rated alternatives so you can find the best fit for your needs. The link is in the description, and it gives you exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. That's it. Your professional email is now set up in GetResponse. If this helped, check out the links below for the best deals on email marketing tools.